Yeah, 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 yeah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Holis Randani, and today I will explain about the term of this mind map. So we will explain about polynomial. The term is this is a submarine ship and this continent. So it's about expedition. So the submarine ship is find the resources which represented by the tree. So all of them is about the journey of human finding resources.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Novel. I will explain about monomial. Monomial is an algebraic expression which comprises a single number or the product of real number and one or more variable raised to whole power. For example, 6, negative 2x power 3, 5a power 2, b power 3, and 3x power 4, y, and z power 5. Each real number preceding the variable in a monomial is called a coefficient. In the example above, the coefficient is 6, negative 2, 5, and 3 are the coefficient. And then we gonna talk about polynomial. Polynomial is the sum or difference of a set of monomial. For example, 4x power 3 plus 5x minus 3 and 5x y power 2 plus 4x plus 3y. Is monomial that form a polynomial is called a term of that polynomial. The term of polynomial x power 2y plus 4x plus 3y are x y power 2 and 4x and 3y.
Hi, my name is Argana Mufata, so I will explain next from Nova. So the term of polynomial that doesn't contain a variable called the constant term. The coefficient of the term containing the variable raised to the highest power called the leading coefficient. For example, consider the polynomial 9x power 6 minus 5x power 4 plus 3x cubed minus 8x plus 2. So the 9x power 6, negative 5x power 4, 3x cubed, negative 8x, and 2 are the terms of polynomials. 9, negative 5, 3, negative 8, and 2 are the coefficient, and 2 is the constant term, and 9 is the leading coefficient.
My name is Muhammad Rizal Falevi, so I will explain about constant polynomial and zero polynomial. First, constant polynomial. Polynomial in which the coefficient of all the variables are zero. The value of constant polynomial is the constant term. And then zero polynomial. If the constant term in a constant polynomial is zero, then it becomes a special polynomial. It's called a zero polynomial. A zero polynomial has no degree, and every term of zero polynomial is zero.
Hi, I back again to make sure if you want to understand the example of zero and constant polynomial. For example, constant polynomial. Example is 2m minus 4 in bracket x squared plus 5 minus n in bracket x plus 13 is constant polynomial. So find the value of m and n. And we know that the constant polynomial is the the coefficient of all variable is 0. So 2m minus 4 is equal 0. So m will be 2. And also for 5 negative n is equal 0. So n will be 5. And for example of zero polynomial, b minus 4 in bracket x cubed minus 2c plus 6 in bracket x plus a minus b plus c is zero polynomial. We know zero polynomial is 0. It has no degree, so b minus 4 is equal 0. b will be 4. And to c plus 6 is equal 0. The c will be negative 3. And a is equal 7. So that's the example of zero and constant polynomial.
Hi, my name is Zulfan. So I will explain the next one is polynomial function. So every function defined from real number to other real number itself of the form. So for the example is p as a function of x is a n x to the power of n positive a n negative 1 times x negative for negative n negative 1. And then until it becomes a1 times x to the power of 1 and plus a0. So the first one is the highest degrees in variable x until the decrease is the lowest. That is the called polynomial function. In general, we use capital letter such as p, q, and r or other letter to denote the polynomial function. So the example is p is a function of x is equal to 2x squared negative 3x plus 4. The example is x equal to 1. So the solution is x equal to 1. We substitute the x equal 1 to the x. So 2 times 1 squared negative 3 times 1 plus 4, so equal to 3. So that is the polynomial function. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Fahmi. So, like term, if two or more terms contain the same variable raised to the same power, they are called like term. For example, 5x squared y and negative 3x squared y, they are like term. Come Rija. Like Ayak and Rija, we have the same gender and we have the same uniform. So, the equal polynomial. Two polynomials are equal if and only if they have the like term with the same coefficient. So, like this marker, they have the same color and the same label, so they equal.
So I back again. So that's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.